Storms, floods, and hailstorms are extreme weather phenomena that showcase the harsh power of nature. Storms form when hot, moist air rises, creating a low-pressure zone that brings strong winds and heavy rain. Floods occur when excessive rainfall overflows rivers and drainage systems, causing inundation, while flash floods can sweep away everything in their path. Hailstorms happen during thunderstorms when water freezes into ice balls and falls, causing severe damage. These phenomena serve as a reminder of the ferocity and unpredictability of nature.
有电线大火喽，看到吗？我怪电大火喽！哦，都冰咗啊！我冇先行咗。
Natural disasters like storms and floods devastate lives and the environment. They destroy homes, disrupt essentials like food and water, and displace communities. Floods erode soil, ruin crops, and uproot wildlife, leaving long-lasting damage. For instance, Storm X in 2020 caused flash floods, submerging villages and forcing mass evacuations.
哎呦，冇遮咁硬嘅吧？係。哦，我嘢落冰雹喎，我遮落冰雹喎，我遮啊呢樣。我做純絲床啦，成雞絲床蠢到我，好恐怖哦！我放啲嘢去冰箱。哇，實定炸喎！地放整啊嗱，全部都落水啦！隔離屋好似又係㗎，唉，白做一年咯。
When a storm warning is issued, secure windows, stock up on food and water for several days, and ensure valuables are stored in elevated, safe places. If caught outside during a storm or hailstorm, find shelter immediately. Stay away from windows and objects that can fall. Avoid crossing flooded areas or flash floods, as the water can be extremely dangerous. Once the storm has passed, check your home for safety before entering. Avoid contact with downed power lines or contaminated water. All as a reminder that humans must respect and prepare for nature's unpredictable forces. Have you ever experienced a memorable storm or flood? Share your story in the comments below. In your opinion, which is the most dangerous? Hailstorms, floods, or storms? Let us know what you think. Stronger storms and floods are a result of climate change. Protecting forests, reducing emissions, and conserving the environment are ways we can mitigate these natural disasters. Let's work together to build communities ready to face natural disasters. Make sure everyone knows how to prepare and act quickly during emergencies. Nature is both majestic and terrifying. Each image in this video serves as a reminder of the Earth's unstoppable power. Always remember, careful preparation and safety awareness are the keys to overcoming natural disasters.
Estaba a punto caramelo.
Whoa.